Hello and welcome to Hands-on Equations Lesson 25. Today we're going to be working with using the pictorial system, which means instead of using our pawns and cubes, we're going to draw pictures of what we have. So to start with, I have two stars, and I'm going to draw that out as one star, two stars, and a positive 3 is going to go in a box. So this is two stars plus 3. And on the other side we have negative 6, and a negative is going to go in a circle. And then we have an X. So this is how we're going to show what we're doing. You can use different colors if that helps you, but you can just use a regular pencil since you'll have most of just a pencil on your test. So let's think about what we want to do. Let's get these two stars by itself. So what do we add to a positive 3 to get rid of it? To create a zero pair, we're going to add a negative 3. And if we add it to the left, we have to add it to the right. So now our 3's cancel out, and we're left with 9 on this side. So now we need to get this 9 on this side by itself. So how do we move an X or a pawn? We're going to create a zero pair with a star, and if I add a star on this side, I add a star on this side. So here is my zero pair, and that is going to leave. So now we have 3 stars is equal to 9. So if 3 stars are equal to negative 9, what is 1 star going to be equal to? Well, these are negative, so our number has to be negative. So I can count 2, 4, 6, that's not 9, 3, 6, 9, that is 9. So our star is going to have to be a negative 3, which makes our X a positive 3. So now we can go back and check our original problem. We started on this left side with just 2 stars, and 2 stars would be negative 6. And then we had a positive 3, which gives us negative 3. So let's see if negative 3 is equal to negative 3. We had a pawn, no, I'm sorry, we had a star, a pawn, we're right, a pawn, and we had a negative 6. So if a pawn is 3, negative 6 plus 3 gives us negative 3. So that is a correct check. The more you do with the pictorial, the easier it will get, and you'll find that you'll be able to cross out and cancel out what you need to on your equations. Okay, so we start here with 2 X's. 1, 2. It says to remove 3 stars. Well, we don't have 3 stars to remove, so we would put on 3 stars and 3 pawns, and that would allow us the zero pairs to remove those 3 stars. So that will leave us with 3 pawns plus a negative 4. And remember, negative numbers go inside a circle. And on the right side it says we have 2 stars and a 3. So now we have 5 X's, 5 pawns, and a negative 4 equal to 2 stars and a positive 3. Well, we have the most of our pawns and stars over here on the left, so let's get rid of this 4. I'm going to switch color just to make it easier for when we go back and do our check. So if we're going to take away a 4, that means we're adding a positive 4 to it in order to get that 0 pair. That means we're going to add a positive 4 on this side. So these are gone. And now we have 5 pawns equals 2 stars plus 7. So now we need all of our pawns and stars to the left side. Well, how do we make a 0 pair with a star? That's right, we add a pawn to it. So we're going to add a pawn to each of these, which means we add a pawn to each one of those over on the left. So this is going to go away, and this is going to go away. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pawns is equal to 7. If 7 pawns is equal to 7, how much is 1 pawn equal to? That would be 7. And a star would then be, I'm sorry, this would be 1. I have too many 7s on my brain. This would be 1 because 7 pawns is equal to 7, so x is equal to 1, and star would be equal to negative 1. So now we're going to go back to what we had in red. And in red we have 5 pawns, so those are each worth 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 4 plus a negative 4. This is in a circle, so it's negative. So negative 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. And on this left side, on this right side rather, we're going to use 1 and negative 1 for the pieces that I have in red. So negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2, and negative 2 plus 3 is 1. You could also think of that as 3 plus negative 2 to make it a 1. So our x is 1, our star is negative 1, and our check is 1 equals 1. Here's our last problem. We're going to start with 3 x's, so I'm going to just draw them 1, 2, 3. And then it says to remove 2 stars. Remember, removing 2 stars is the same as putting on 2 x's. And then we have to remove 2 red cubes, 2 positives. Well, we don't have 2 positives to remove, so we'd create those 0 pairs and then remove the positives, which leaves us with 2 negative 2's. On the right hand side we've got 2 x's, and then we have a negative 1. Remember, negatives go in circles. So what are we going to do first? We have 5 pawns on the left and 2 pawns on the right. So how many can I take away? That's right, I can take away 2. So I'm going to take this one away, and I'm going to take this one away, which means I'm also going to take 2 away over on this left side. So these were there, but now they've been moved off the balance. We have 3 pawns minus 4 equals negative 1. So we need to get all of our numbers over to the right side. So how do I create a 0 pair of 2's when I have negatives? That means I need to add positives. Those are my squares. And if I do it to the left, I have to do it to the right. So these canceled out, and we have 3 x's is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3, and 3 x's is equal to 3, so 1x is equal to 1, making the opposite of x negative 1. Now let's plug back into the original problem we had, which in my case is in black. And each of these x's is 1, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 2 is 3. Take away 2 is 1. And then we're going to go back to our 2x's. We have 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Funny, those were the same answers as our last problem. I hope you understood this, and remember that all we're doing is now drawing it out, because on some of your tests you won't be able to have the pawns and cubes with you, so you'll have to use paper and pencil. So we want you to be able to draw that out. I hope you enjoyed lesson number 25, and I look forward to seeing you next time.